Hey guys, I have the most perfect cookie recipe for you all because the holiday season is going on. Presenting to you my eggless hot chocolate cookies. These are really amazing and I'm sure that you all will love it. We'll add our softened butter to a mixing bowl. I'm using unsalted, but you can also use salted. In that case, just skip the salt later on. Into that, we'll be adding our brown sugar and our caster sugar. You can also use granulated sugar if you want, and then we are going to beat it for around 4 to 5 minutes until everything is nicely fluffy and soft. Once the butter mixture is ready, we are going to add in our room temperature milk and some vanilla extract, followed by a beating of 2 to 3 more minutes. Into this, we'll be sifting all of our dry ingredients, starting with maida or all-purpose flour, cocoa powder. I'm using a really good quality one, so make sure to do that. Then baking powder and some salt. Lastly, we're going to add in our baking soda into this, and then we are going to sift in all of the dry ingredients into the bowl. When all of the ingredients have been added, we are going to gently fold the dough together until it just comes together. Make sure to never over mix your dough or even cake batter in general. Then we're going to add in our chocolate chips and we're going to fold them in as well. And with that, our hot chocolate cookie dough is absolutely ready. I'm going to take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and I'm going to scoop out the dough over it. I love using an ice cream scoop for dividing my cookie dough because it's really convenient and easy to use. At the same time, it divides my dough into equal portions. I'm going to top my cookie dough balls with some marshmallows, but this is completely optional. But if you want to give them that hot chocolate feel, make sure to add them. You can think of it like the s'mores combination, the classic marshmallows and some chocolate. Lastly, I'm also going to top my cookies with some chocolate calays, but you can also use regular chocolate chips if you want. They're going to give them a real nice look and mouthfeel as well. Now we are all set to bake these cookies. I'm going to bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for roughly 8 to 9 minutes. I love how ovens work their magic on any kind of item that we put inside them, and now look at those beautiful cookies. These cookies are absolutely amazing and they are a crowd pleaser. Make sure to try this recipe. Here you can see that they are really fudgy and really soft as well. If you like brownie cookies or brookies, make sure to try this recipe out. They are loaded with flavor and they are bound to please any chocolate lover. Thank you so much for watching this video and turn on the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you next time.